Joel has an issue with a utility bill. Welcome to the show, Joe.
Hey, good morning.
What can I do for you, Joe?
I have a question about a utility that
don't mention the utility's name, okay?
And in October 2008, I got my bill as normal, but in November, and I paid it, but in November 2008, I didn't get a bill. December, January, all the way on up to January of 2012, I received no bill. I looked on the utility's website, checked my account there, said $0 due. Okay, all right. I printed out screenshots from the website every month that said $0 due. Now, earlier this year, I get a nastygram from the utility saying, you haven't paid your bill. And they presented me with a $2,000 bill and demanded payment. If I don't give them $2,000, they're going to turn me off. So my question is, or my statement is, that seems a little bit unreasonable. And what can we do about that?
Well, you first have to find out why they made the mistake. They clearly made a mistake, but here's the other thing, and this is what's really hard about utility bill questions. You knew you were getting the heat. You knew you were getting the air. You knew you were getting the light, right? You didn't think there was somebody down the street who was going to pay for it, did you?
Well, I thought that if they didn't update their bills online or send me a bill,
then you can have the utilities for free? If they don't send you a bill right, you get the utilities for free? Is that what you were thinking?
It's a gift, right?
Well, I don't know. There's got to be donative intent. So, Matt, help us out here with Joel.
Well, the one thing I would say that Joel, I think, should have a right to do is, to the extent this utility company waited several months before they issued him a bill, I don't think he should get that service for free, assuming he was getting it. But what he should be allowed to do is, when they hit him with the $2,000 bill, he should be allowed to make a payment plan, because I'm sure he wasn't, banking aside money every month because they failed to give him the bill. If they sat on giving him a bill, they can't now demand payment in full up front.
But wait a minute. Don't you think he should have been banking away money? I mean, he knew he was going to pay the money.
But what do you
think, that the utility fairy is going to come down and go ipso facto, happus capus? You don't owe any money?
No, definitely
That's why our bills are so high, because people don't pay their bills.
Well, how is he supposed to know how much to set aside?
It doesn't
every
matter.
month?
He knew he had to pay to look at the old bill and find an average.
I disagree. He should be allowed to set up a payment plan with
You
no
are
interest.
such a bleeding heart.
No interest
You are
whatsoever.
such a bleeding heart. I can't believe it. He wants, you know what? If Matt Kachik ever runs for office, the slogan's going to be free utilities for everybody. I can tell right now.
Well, no, but if they don't send you a bill, then you get to set up a payment plan with no interest, because that's their fault. Because he has a right to be notified every month of how much he's going to get accrued,
when you get a cold and you don't go to the doctor, and the doctor doesn't say you got a cold, you still have the cold.
Yeah, he went on the website and tried to check it out, and the website was telling him he owed nothing. That's not his fault. Is he supposed to overhaul their own website? He's supposed to be the web designer for that utility company? Absolutely not.
You probably like Obamacare, too, don't you?
I like fairness. That's what I like.
Yeah, fairness, you-know-what, because it's not fair that people don't pay their utility bills.
Well, it's not fair that taxpayers pay for people who don't pay for health insurance.
We're going to continue answering all your legal questions and continue this rant later. We're going to answer all your legal questions at 855-529-7469.